fix your volume. Your speaker.
He's
Señor
muted.
Rivera.
He's muted.
Yeah, but when he's open, he cannot hear us.
Hello? Yes, no?
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Good morning. Good morning.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Morning.
¿Se me escuchan?
Sí. Sí.
Can you hear me?
I'm open up.
Yes.
Officer Wilson.
Yes.
Yeah.
¿Su nombre?
Mira, no escucho.
Change in 5 years, but our best price won't. Just guaranteed.
Me llamo, sí.
Good morning. Please mute your phones.
Por favor, pongan sus micrófonos en silencio. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please mute your phones.
Buenos días.
The
por
Honorable
favor,
Judge
pongan-
Sean. Excuse me. Good morning, all. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving. Excuse me. Excuse me. Please mute
Señor,
your
por
phone.
favor, ponga su micrófono en silencio, no interrumpa. Go ahead.
Good morning. Please mute your phones. The
Buenos
Honorable Judge
días,
Sean.
por favor, pongan sus micrófonos en silencio.
Okay. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps or head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. No eating, drinking, sleeping, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días, la Corte del Tribunal de el Honorable Juez Sean B. Perkins entra en sesión. Mientras la Corte esté en sesión, por favor permanezcan con sus micrófonos en silencio hasta que sean llamados, estén debidamente presentados, sentados derechos. No se puede estar en un vehículo en movimiento, no deben estar comiendo, ni bebiendo, ni hablando. Estar debidamente vestidos, nada de camisetas y nada de coberturas en la cabeza, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Bienvenidos a la corte del juez Perkins.
All right. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Voy a tratar de hacer esto de la manera más eficiente y rápida posible y lo voy a estar llamando en el orden de que se conectaron.
If you can please be properly attired and have your an ink pen ready so that you can take notes if necessary.
Por favor, tenga a mano, esté debidamente vestido y tenga a mano lápiz y papel para poder tomar nota de cualquier cosa que deban anotar.
Everyone's going to get an opportunity to speak with an attorney if they choose, unless they want to bring one of their own.
Todo el mundo va a tener la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado, ¿verdad? A menos que, si ustedes deciden hablar con su abogado, a menos que alguno de ustedes haya contratado a un abogado particular.
And with that, we're going to get started with the reviews first.
Y con eso vamos a comenzar primeramente con las revisiones.
Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you.
Can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, is CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Luis Rodriguez, case number SP 183-11592. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, se llama al señor, el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Luis Felipe Rodríguez. Señor, por favor, número de caso SP 183-11592. Señor Rodríguez, por favor, levante diga su nombre completo.
Mi nombre es Felipe Méndez Rodríguez.
My name is Luis Felipe Méndez Rodríguez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. So you completed those community
Buenos días,
services.
señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendado para la revisión de su caso. Usted se le había ordenado hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Buenos días, señoría. Y sí,
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, thank you for those community service hours, and for that, we're going to close your matter out. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Señor, con eso veo que usted ha servido las 6 horas ya. Muchas gracias por eso. Con eso queda cerrado su caso. La mejor de las suertes para usted y ya se puede retirar. Con eso queda su caso cerrado.
ok, muchas gracias, señoría, y buen día.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor, and have a good day.
You as well.
Igualmente, señor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Hector Adonis Montejo, case number SP 173-70641. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hector.
You don't need
You
an
don't-
interpreter?
No, I don't need an interpreter. Thank you. Hector Adonis Montijo.
Montijo, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do community service, and I understand you weren't able to complete the community service. And it's been, what, 6 months?
Yes, Your Honor. I take full responsibility. I just between work and taking care of my 3-month-old baby, I just been going through a lot. But if you could, if I can request more additional time, I can start immediately.
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 more days. That's all I'm gonna give you.
That's enough time.
3, 4. I know you've been in contact with Mr. Phillips, so
Yes.
Keep that. Come back on March the 4th, 2026. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Terry M. Daniel, case number SP 1819620, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Daniel.
Terry M. Daniel.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter. Good morning to you, Mr. Daniel. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. We'll give you a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
And good morning, Your Honor and staff. The people just need co-hosts when the court is ready.
Good morning, Ms. Horn. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus John Delgado, case number SP 185-12671. Good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor John Delgado, número de caso CP-185-12671. Por favor, sus comparecencias para que consten en el acta.
Good morning, Your
¿Cuál es su
Honor.
nombre?
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Erika Harris y mi número es 72832, representando al acusado.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Delgado. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Está bien, buenos días, señor Delgado. Por favor, ¿podría decir usted su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Muy buenos días, mi nombre es John Albeiro Delgado.
Very good morning. My name is John Albeiro Delgado.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond.
Está bien, voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0.
I will say that Mr. Delgado paid 2 related civil infractions, one, a no valid registration, and the other one, a disregarding a red flasher.
Tengo que decir que el señor Delgado ya pagó 2 infracciones civiles, uno por no tener registro válido y otro por no haber desobedecido una señalización de tránsito.
I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the
Señor, por
matter.
favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Harris, quien va a conseguirle una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Por favor, acepte la invitación a unirse a la sala de privada número 3. Toque su pantalla. Join. Ok. Thank you.
Will Mr. Berry fall off, Mr. Daniel?
Your Honor.
Mr. Berry fell off? Yeah,
No.
you did. Letting him back in. Oh, you already spoke with him?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Terry M. Daniel. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial in the appointment of counsel. I'm placing his number in the chat.
Okay, Mr. Daniel, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. This is community court. I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. I am going to mark the file that you need an appointed attorney. Hopefully that appointed attorney gets to you before your next court date. I'm going to set a pre-trial date. Attorney. That pre-trial date is going to be February 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. in front of the Honorable Herman Griffin.
Can you repeat that, Your Honor?
February 24th, 2026.
Okay.
In front of Judge Griffin.
Okay.
And the Zoom ID is 360-334-0000. And is this 8144 number the best number to reach you?
Yeah.
I ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, well, they'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, Your Honor, is it okay if I mention something that you could possibly help me with when I seen on my last court date, I went in front of Judge Griffin for no insurance and no license plate. I had proof of both of those, and they dismissed it, and they still put that I owe $195 on my record.
You're gonna have to speak to him about that. Let me see what it says in the computer.
Okay.
I see Terry and Daniel, 214.76. You owe 125 for an old no-ops ticket.
Yeah, that was for when I came in front of you. I'm on payment plan currently now, taking care of that, Your Honor.
You were in front of me for that?
Yes, it was the amount that I owed was $240, and I got down to $129.
Well, you lost that payment plan. It's not in the payment plan anymore.
I just currently made a payment last week, and they responded with a letter letting me know that the amount that I owe now. So I didn't know I was not under the payment plan anymore.
Yeah, it's not. When I see it, if it's not in the, it's colored a different color here, and that's not in the payment plan. But you're still on top of it. The no insurance and this no insurance 195. That's just that they'll give you an opportunity over there. That's going along with this case. That's what you have. These two cases. So it's just a civil infraction, and essentially it just says 195 because you can pay it. But go over there before you make any payment on that to see if that can potentially get dismissed if you make an offer or if they can't prove it or something like that. Just let the attorney deal with that.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So that's just going to say that anytime you get a no insurance proof civil infraction, it's always going to give you the dollar amount. But I always tell people, don't just pay tickets. Go to court. You can probably always do better, and it may not you may not have to pay it. You may, but you may not have to pay it. So that just let the attorney deal with that no insurance. All right.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Ramos. You're free to leave.
Okay. Okay.
All right. I need somebody that does not need an interpreter.
Interpreter is just a dismissal, Your Honor, the one that I do have.
Yeah,
If that helps.
Not really. I mean, we only have Ms. Hernandez here today, so we're gonna have to get the interpreter. This is Charles Kevin Goodman. Yeah.
He did tell me yesterday that she'll be in here after around 9.
Okay. Charles Kevin Goodman, are you there? All right, he's not responding.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. I'm just trying to work the Zoom. I'm sorry.
Sorry. City of Detroit versus Charles Kevin Goodman. Case numbers. SP 1713048, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Paulwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodman.
Charles Goodman.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, good morning to you. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Goodman, I'm going to get you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, You have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with John Delgado. Mr. Delgado, I'm going to dismiss the case for paying 2 related civil infractions. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Delgado. Señor Delgado, ya usted ha pagado dos infracciones civiles relacionadas, por lo tanto le voy a quitar ese caso. Su caso queda cerrado.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much. Se puede retirar.
Ok, gracias.
Thank you.
Una pregunta.
I have a question.
Ya.
What's your question?
¿Cuál es su pregunta, señor? No se le oye. ¿Cuál es su pregunta?
Ya totalmente queda cerrado el caso, ¿sí? No tengo...
Okay, so the case is closed, totally closed.
Yes, the case is dismissed.
Sí, señor, su caso ha sido desestimado.
Ok, muchas gracias, muy amable.
Okay, thank you very much, very kind of you.
Hasta luego.
Bye bye.
Bye. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Juan Ortiz and Andino, case number SP 183-85731. Appearance for the record, please.
Está bien, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juan Ortiz Andino, número de caso SP 183-85731. Su comparecencia, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Ortiz Andino, please state your name for the record.
Cherica Harris, representando al señor Ortiz Andino. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Muy buenos días, mi nombre es Juan Bosco Ortiz Andino.
Very good morning, my name is Juan Bosco Ortiz Andino.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente permanecerá en silencio.
All right, good morning, Mr. Ortiz Andino. I'm gonna get you into your not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Ms. Harris is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor. Yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. La señora Harris, que es abogada, va a tratar de buscarle un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Tenga en cuenta siempre que si no le gusta puede siempre ir a un juicio. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada.
When I prompt join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Señor, por favor, acepte la invitación cuando lo ve en su pantalla y una vez que hable con su abogada y vuelva a esta sala principal, nos deja saber qué quiere hacer. Por favor, señor Ortiz, acepte la invitación. Ok.
He's in there. Let's pass the matter.
Thank you.
248-605-5255. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Marco Antonio Controla Cerratos.
Marco Antonio. Okay, Conchola Cerratos. Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir.
You don't need an interpreter, do you?
No.
And let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodman. Mr. Goodman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants an appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Goodman, that's what you need. I'm gonna set you up with a pretrial date on February 20th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set. to make sure that that appointed attorney has ability to contact you, okay?
Okay. Would
So
that
I
be
need you
over
to
Zoom or in person, Your Honor?
be in Zoom. It's gonna be, well, it's like Burger King, sir. You have it your way. In person and Zoom, but Zoom is probably better because your attorney's probably gonna Zoom in. If that attorney has not contacted you, if you has not reached you, then we'll get one appointed to you on that day, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Same to you, Your Honor. Have a blessed one.
You as well. Is City of Detroit versus Zion Malik Long, case numbers SP 107-66711, SP 148-16361, SP 166-2097, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 175-69411, State of Michigan versus Zion Malik Long, case number SX 371-659-7, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Long.
Zion Long.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Long. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you $1 bond. Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. At 313-469-493. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Joseph Cornelius Ford, Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. Did you say Joe Louis Osborne Jr. or say that again?
Joseph Cornelius Ford, Jr.
Okay, good morning to you. Let's see. Do you have a case number or ticket number?
Yeah.
What is it, please?
You want my ticket number?
Yes.
P 1847651.
Joseph Cornelius Ford Jr. See. All right. Do you have valid insurance, sir?
No, not at the moment.
All right. I'm going to let you speak with an attorney, okay?
Okay.
Carmen Ramos.
Yes. Yes.
Buenos dias.
Buenos días.
Necesitas interpreter?
Yes, please.
Okay. Julian Guerrero.
Hello, this is for my dad.
All right, he need, is that, good morning to you. Is Jose Juan Guerrero, Buenos dias, us interpreter?
Que sí, yes.
Buenos días. ¿Necesita
Bueno.
intérprete?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Juan Ortiz. Mr. Ortiz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, how long is it going to take him to get a valid license?
Later.
Está bien, señora, por favor, ponga su micrófono en silencio. Está bien, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala de consulta privada. Señora abogada, ¿cuánto tiempo necesita su representado para venir con su licencia?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting 3 weeks, please.
Su señoría, nosotros respetuosamente estamos solicitando un aplazamiento de 3 semanas.
All right, pre-trial, come back March the 4th, 2026 at 8:30.
Está bien, señor. Sorry, Your Honor, continue.
Sorry. There's nothing further. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Señor, la próxima fecha es el 4 de marzo de 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana. Por favor, si no tiene más nada que agregar, la mejor de las suertes para usted. Que tenga buen día, se puede retirar. Marzo 4.
Ok, gracias, muy amable, señoría. Gracias a usted.
Para una consulta previa al juicio. Thank you very much, very kind of you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Bendiciones.
Blessings.
All right. Mrs. Ramos, you need to turn your camera on and unmute yourself, please.
Señora Ramos, por favor, tiene que abrir su micrófono y prender su cámara.
All right, City of Detroit versus Carmen Grizel Ramos, case number SP 1848961, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Carmen Grisel Ramos, número de casos SP 184-8961, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Ramos, please state your name for the record.
Sherika Harris, representando a la señora Ramos. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Carmen Grisel Ramos.
Carmen Grisel Ramos.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, arraignment. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señora. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para una audiencia y para su lectura de cargos. Yo voy a introducir una declaración de culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a ofrecer una oferta por parte de la fiscalía.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Señora, por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada cuando vea la invitación y cuando termine de hablar con su abogada y vuelva para esta sala general, nos deja saber qué es lo que quiere hacer.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Pass the matter. Trooper Jensen. Good morning to you.
Yes, good morning.
How can we help you?
I am here for Connor Rolak.
If you have a case number, I don't have anybody that has a hearing. If you have a ticket number, I can help you potentially.
I do have a ticket number. It is X4622757.
$20.95 from 20. Do you have Travis? $20.95.
You're in courtroom. William Burton. Why does it say courtroom formal hearing 77169? Who's 77169? Let me see. That would be Herman Griffin. Courtroom 334-360-0000 is the Zoom ID.
Would you repeat the Zoom ID?
360-334-0000.
Thank
And
you.
you can let them know that you did appear in here on time and we're just in the wrong courtroom.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Zion Long. Mr. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for case ending in 16361 to enter a plea to improper plates for the no registration charge at 5971, a state ticket, and finally another allowing charge for the driving while license suspended at 65972. The remaining matters to be dismissed. Mr. Long no longer resides in Michigan, Your Honor.
Where do you live, Mr. Long?
North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina.
All right.
I gave the lady like my address, zip code, and everything down there when I
Here, they didn't put it in. You want to put it in the chat or you want to let me know out loud?
I can let you know out loud.
Go ahead.
532 Knothole Lane.
Spell it.
KNOTHOLE Lane, LANE. Zip code is 28214, Charlotte, North Carolina.
That's not an apartment, right?
No, that's a house. It's a whole house.
All right. All right. Well, Highland Park's gonna miss you. So you want to take the deal?
Yeah, I might as well just get all this stuff paid off. But it was a part where he said something about a improper plate or something like that on the car. My mother.
Here's the deal. All he was mentioning is that those are amended counts. So say, for example, the driving license suspended, we'll amend it to allowing, and the no insurance will amend it to improper plate. Those amendments are made so that the improper plate does not abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, you don't carry any points or anything. The Secretary of State knows nothing about the driving license suspended or the insurance. You don't carry any points, and I'll dismiss it upon payment. That's what he was talking about.
Okay.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
And you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No questions.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Now, let me draw your attention back to February 16th, 2025 at around 12:35 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 8 Mile and Woodward. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah, it was snowing. I remember that day. It was snowing. I tried to stop at the light. He was on the side of me. I tried to stop. I couldn't stop. Shoot, I was sliding. So I just kept on going through the light.
Let me ask you this. Was that your 2014 Kia you were driving?
No, it wasn't.
All right. The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
I never had a driver's license.
Very well. I'm going to find him guilty as to the amended count of allowing. Let me draw your attention back to July 17th, 2025 at around 2:47 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Alexandria and Woodward. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yeah, they said I was going like 15 miles above speed or something like that.
All right. And you were operating that motor vehicle and the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Because you didn't have a license, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, very well. Find him guilty of allowing. Let me draw your attention back to way back to May the 1st, 2020.
Oh man, 2020.
At in the city of Detroit, in the area of the Lodge and Green Lawn. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit police? They said you were operating a 2000 Buick.
On the Lodge and Green Line.
Yeah.
2000 Buick?
Yes.
They got that wrong. I was on the freeway. They took my car to the state patrol.
The Lodge Freeway and Green Lawn.
I went on Green Line. I was on Livernois though.
Well, that's right near Green Lawn, right?
Yeah, it's something like that.
So you remember that, right?
Yeah, they took my car. Yeah, yeah, I remember that.
2000 Buick.
Yeah, it was a 2000 Buick. It was a white Buick.
And there was something wrong with the plate on that vehicle?
Yeah, the temp tag was it wasn't right.
All right, find him guilty as to the amended count of improper plate. Stipulate the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, as far as sentencing is concerned, I will just fine you for 2 of these. I won't fine you for the 3. It's gonna be $240 apiece.
Okay.
All right, and I won't fine you for the improper plate, all right?
Okay.
I'll waive the warrant fees, and you also have reinstatement fees to pay. $240. I'm only concerned about the $480. When can you pay it?
Can you give me at least like 2 weeks at the most? I just started a job down here in North Carolina, so I'm gonna have to work a week and a whole before I even get paid.
30 days.
30 days.
Come back on March the 5th. Come back on March the 5th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk. Well, you're gonna have to probably upload the DivDat app to your phone. But you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or send somebody down here to pay it in person. If there's nothing further, sir, enjoy your time, and I hope it's prosperous in North Carolina. Don't forget about us in Detroit, all right?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
All right, March 5th, come on back and make sure it's paid.
Okay, I got you. I appreciate you.
You too.
All right.
All right. Who's that gentleman that was in the hallway?
Timothy Gar, you have his file. He sent for you.
Okay.
Just
All
not
right.
on the calendar.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Is Daniel Escobar here?
Está
No,
aquí
this is
el
Timothy
señor
Gar.
Daniel.
Daniel Escobar?
Señor Daniel Escobar.
Aquí,
Abra su
yes,
micrófono.
right here.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
Say again, please.
You don't need an interpreter, do you?
No, I'm good.
Do you have a case number?
I got no papers with me right now.
Is that your full name?
Daniel Escobar Ortiz. Daniel Ortiz.
Is it Escobar Ortiz?
Yes.
All right, I'm not finding it without a case number. I need a case number.
I don't have no papers with me right now.
All right, well, yeah, I can't help you till you give me a case number. I'm trying to look it up. And I don't see it under Escobar Ortiz, or I don't see it under Ortiz Escobar.
It says the last time that I was with is Daniel Ortiz. They only put it right there, Daniel Ortiz.
Friday. You're not supposed to be here until Friday morning.
Friday morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Be safe.
Same hours. I mean,
Do you have documentation?
not with me right now, but I didn't check it out. I thought it was today. That was what I signed out right now. But if it's a Friday, I go on Friday.
All right, very well.
Friday 8:30, right?
Friday at 8:30.
Thank you.
Riviera.
Sorry.
Riviera.
Señor Riviera.
Oh, what the hell? Jesus, Friday.
¿Por qué no te he llamado para nada?
Moreno.
Señor Moreno.
All right, anybody does not need an interpreter. Let me find that out.
Por favor, hay alguien que no necesite intérprete. Okay.
I have one. City of Detroit versus Joseph Cornelius Ford. Case number SP 184-76511. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Ford. Mr. Ford, you have to press *6 to unmute yourself. Mr. Joseph C. Ford Jr., press *6.
Okay, I pressed it.
All right, good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Joseph Cornelius Ford Jr.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of Mr. Ford.
All right, for purposes of arraignment, counselor?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Ford. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ramos. Ms. Ramos, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, the plea is to allowing.
Buenos días, volvamos al señora Ramos, le di la oportunidad, volvamos a llamar el caso de la señora Ramos, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Su abogada, ¿cuál es la oferta? ¿Que dejó que alguien se licencie a manejara?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Ms. Ramos, you want to take the deal?
Señora Ramos, ¿y quiere tomar ese acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You have to turn
Por
your
favor,
camera on.
ponga su cámara, levante su mano derecha.
Other right.
La otra.
Tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you
Puede bajar su
understand the
mano,
maximum?
señora.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Y cuando usted estaba en la sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Harris le explicó cuáles eran todos sus derechos. ¿Es así?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give the rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo que le han ofrecido, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
No talking to anybody else, ma'am. This is your case. I want you to understand.
Okay.
Señora, necesito que usted entienda, no estoy hablando con más nadie porque este es su caso.
Okay,
All
sí.
right. Anybody offered you other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa aparte de lo que hemos ya hablado y que consta en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 3rd, 2026, around 5:30 p.m. City of Detroit, area of Calvary and Verner. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señora, déjeme llevar su atención al día, al lugar y a la hora de los hechos, que fue el 3 de enero del 2026 a las 5:30 de la tarde, alrededor de la calle Calvary y Verner. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿la paró usted un policía de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y estaba manejando usted un vehículo, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad, señora?
No.
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no pudo?
Porque no la tengo.
Because I don't have one.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing 12 hours of community service with the stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
Está bien, yo entonces voy a encontrar a su cliente culpable del cargo enmendado, rebajado, de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Le voy a dar 12 horas de servicio comunitario y con las estipulaciones sobre la causa probable, señor abogado, voy a quitarle el otro cargo o los otros cargos.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, ma'am?
Señora, ya tiene el número donde tiene que llamar para hacer las horas del Centro Comunitario de Justicia.
¿Sí?
Yes.
I called Mr. Phillips this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until March the 4th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case.
Señora, yo le voy a dar hasta el día 4 de marzo para que complete estas horas. Que llame esta misma tarde el señor Phillips allá y arregle con él cómo hacer las horas. Y le voy a dar hasta el 4 de marzo y ese día, cuando ya las haya hecho, yo le voy a quitar el caso.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
All right, have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señora, la mejor de las suertes para usted, que tenga un excelente día.
Sí, gracias.
Yes, thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Jose Juan Guerrero. Case number SP 1844742. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor José Juan Guerrero. Número de caso SP 184-47421. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
¿Cómo dijo? No lo entendí.
How do you say? I didn't understand you.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Guerrero. Please state your name.
Mi nombre es Cherica Harris, representando al señor Guerrero. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre.
Me llamo José Juan Guerrero.
My name is José Juan Guerrero.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond.
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para su lectura de cargos. Yo entonces voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, right to a trial.
Señor, la voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogada, la señora Harris, quien le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución actualizada por parte de la Fiscalía. Tenga en cuenta que si usted no le está de acuerdo con esa oferta ofrecida, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación de ir a la sala de consulta privada en su pantalla.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada. Número 3. Thank you.
Riviera.
Yes, sir.
Buenos dias. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
Yes, please.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Juan Ricardo Rivera Flores.
Juan Ricardo Riviera, right?
Yes, sir.
Please. Jose Romer.
Hola, buenos días.
Buenos dias. Necesitas interpreter?
Sí,
Is this Harvin Jose Romero?
sí,
All right, un momento.
está bien.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ford. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ford. Mr. Ford, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want?
For the prosecutor, Your Honor, the matter is to be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Ford. Dismissed. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Who does not need an interpreter?
Timothy Garrett.
City of Detroit, this is, I think this is a review, Mr. Barry. City of Detroit versus Timothy Gar.
Yeah.
Case number V144-01424, V144-01524. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Timothy Christopher Gar.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You just paid, right?
Yes, I did.
All right, very well. I'm going to dismiss these cases. All right. If it's
All right.
nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. You want to come in for your paper? If you want some paperwork, if not, you're free to leave.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Who else does not need an interpreter?
I don't need an interpreter, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go with good morning to you. Is this Mr. Abdan Gabriel Perez?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Abdan Perez, case number SP180-99601. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Perez.
Abidan Gabriel Roblero Perez.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Perez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an offer Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, thank you.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Judge, who was that had those V cases? Just calling into one.
Timothy Gar, he's not on the docket for some reason. He's supposed to be, but I don't know why.
Okay.
Your Honor, I have it in the first one at 8:20.
No, I'm talking about Timothy Gar. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Guerrero. Mr. Guerrero, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Guerrero. Señor Guerrero, yo voy a desestimar su caso debido a que usted ha presentado la debida documentación. Con esto queda su caso desestimado. Que tenga muy buen día. Se puede retirar. La mejor de la suerte para usted.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Well, this is the city of Detroit. On Ricardo Rivera, case number SP 183-85371. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juan Ricardo Rivera, número de caso SP 183-85371. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Juan Ricardo Rivera.
Harris, representando al acusado, por favor, diga su nombre.
Juan Ricardo Rivera.
Juan Ricardo Rivera.
Do you need an interpreter, sir?
My English is not enough, so I want to make sure whatever I understand is going to be all right.
Señor, usted necesita intérprete. Bueno, mi inglés no es suficientemente bueno. Yo quiero estar seguro de que voy a entender.
All right. Purposes of arraignment. Good morning to you, Mr. Rivera.
Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Está bien. Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, buenos días, señor Rivera. Buenos días, su señoría.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Mr. Rivera, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor Rivera, yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Harris, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución actualizada por parte de la Fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación a ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Sí, acepto.
Join the room.
Y esa ya acepta. Por
We'll
favor,
pass.
únase a la sala de consulta privada número 3, por favor. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Perez. Mr. Perez, I've given you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants an appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to appoint you an attorney, sir. I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, okay?
Okay.
All right, your next court date is going to be pre-trial on the 25th at 8:35 of February, 25th of February at 8:35 in front of Judge Ramsey Heath. In front of Judge Ramsey Heath. Zoom ID is 360-437-0000.
Okay. And you said that's for February the 25th?
February the 25th, yes.
Okay, 8:30.
8:30. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Have a blessed day, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Who does not need an interpreter?
I do not need one, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Start your camera.
I will. My name is Lisandro Chitlel.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning to you too, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Lisandro No Chilel. Case number SP 1770869, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Chilel.
Lisandro Noe Chilel.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Chilel, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Who else does not need an interpreter?
I can interpret for Miss Ida.
No, we have an interpreter. We're just gonna make sure that and what is the ma'am's name?
Ida Morales.
Ida Robrero. Ida Robrero Morales.
Yes.
And that is Rojas Fabian. Okay. Fabian Rojas Martinez. All right.
I tried to change the name, but I wasn't able to.
I'll do it.
Thank you.
The both of you. Buenos días.
Buenos días, señor juez.
Anyone else not need an interpreter?
Hi, I can translate for someone here.
Your name, ma'am?
Luz Alejandre.
We have an interpreter. This is Jesus Alejandro Barojas.
Yes.
All right, very well.
Vente. Yeah. Yeah, this is him present.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Chilel. Mr. Chilel, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Mr. Berry?
Oh, Mr. Chilel, Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. I'm placing his number in the chat at this time.
Okay, Mr. Chilel, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge for a pretrial day. That would be Judge Kennedy on February 25th, 2026 at 8:30. I marked the file needs appointed attorney. So with that, that attorney gets to you before you go to Judge Kennedy. If not, just let her know that you want an appointed attorney. 364350000 is her Zoom ID. And 3 is the last 41843, the best number to reach you?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
All right, just answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Rivera. Mr. Rivera, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Rivera. Señor Rivera, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada. Señora abogada, que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, we're requesting a 3-week adjournment, please.
Su señoría, nosotros estamos pidiendo un aplazamiento de 3 semanas.
All right, Mr. Rivera, come back March the 4th. March the 4th. There's nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor Rivera, está bien, entonces vuelva el 4 de marzo, a las 8:30 de la mañana. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga tenga mucha suerte, que tenga buen día.
Ustedes también, gracias, juez, por todo. Gracias a la abogada
Same
también.
for you all. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Best of luck to you.
A la orden, señor. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
City of Detroit versus Adanella Vasquez, case number SP 1840402, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood
Este
S.
es el
Berry
caso de la
Jr.
ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Abimael Vázquez, número de caso SP 184-04020, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Vasquez.
Woodbury Jr. representando al acusado. Señor Vázquez, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Señor Vázquez, tiene que abrir su micrófono, señor Vázquez.
Abimael Mariano Vázquez.
Abimael Mariano Vázquez.
Sí.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
Good morning to you, sir. The lawyer are not guilty plea on your behalf. Give you a $0 bond.
Buenos días, señor. Yo entonces voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0.
I'm going to put you in the room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yo le voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a dar un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo, tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación a ir a la sala de consulta privada número 2.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. I think he's in there, Miss Hernandez. Mr. Lopez Alba. Press *6 to unmute yourself.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
You don't need an interpreter, do you?
No, I don't need one, Your Honor.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Jesus Lopez Alba. Case number SP1593322. State your name for the record, please.
Jesus Alberto Lopez Alba.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez Alba, you're here because in 2025, last year, the 25th, you entered into a pled guilty to an improper plate. The sentence at that time was $240. It was going to be dismissed upon payment, but you never did
Yes,
pay.
Your Honor. No, I haven't paid because I had I went to the hospital for a long time, so I just got back to work again, and I just want to ask you for at least 2 to 3 weeks to pay the, I believe it's 240 for not having the what you call it, for no insurance.
All right, is your health better now, sir?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Thank God.
All right, congratulations on that. Come back on review for March the 4th, 2026. You pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. God bless you.
May you too.
Who would be next?
I need an interpreter, unless you can do
Just
it.
looking at some of the cases on the docket, I can ask certain things. I probably couldn't go over the rights, but if I can find out if they have their documents, I could do that.
Take your best shot.
Thank you. I'll just pull into a breakout room.
Next would be Alejandro Barajas.
Yes.
Join the room, please. What's going to happen with Mr. Vasquez?
The matters will be dismissed, Your Honor. He has shown a valid license and prosecution would dismiss the no insurance man.
Is that an international license?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, back on the record with Mr. Vasquez. Mr. Vasquez, the case is dismissed for providing valid documentation. If you don't have anything further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor Vázquez, vamos a volver a su caso. Estamos aquí para que conste en el acta nuevamente. Su caso va a ser desestimado porque usted presentó la documentación debida. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga muy buenos días, se puede retirar.
Ok, disculpe una pregunta, ya sería todo, ¿verdad? Queda todo bien.
Okay, I have a question that this will be all.
It's over with, yes. No,
Sí,
it's
señor,
closed
eso
out.
es todo. Su caso está cerrado, no tiene que hacer más nada.
Muy bien, muchas gracias, que tengan un muy buen día.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You as well. This is
Igualmente,
the,
señor.
Gracias.
this is the city of Detroit versus Jesus Alexander. Case number SP 1849840, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Este es el caso del señor Jesús Alejandro Barajas, ese número de caso SP 184-9840, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta, señora Harris.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Cherica Harris, representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Jesús Alejandre Barajas.
Jesús Alejandre Barajas.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, good morning to you, sir. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. At this time, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora para su lectura de cargos. Yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Harris, que va a intentar darle una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada número 3, unirse, join, por favor. Allí enfrente de su pantalla, join, unirse. Ajá.
Unirse.
He's in there.
Ok.
Pass the matter.
No. Mhm. There's some,
¿Entonces qué? Ruiz.
Got two stops. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Barojas. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Barajas. Señor Barajas, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Harris. Señora Harris, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
Client will plead to the amended count of allowing.
Mi cliente va a declararse del cargo enmendado reducido de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Barajas?
Señor Barajas, ¿ese es quiere tomar ese trato?
Sí.
¿Esa oferta? Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, levante su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Oh, you can put your hand down.
Puede bajar su mano, señor.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delitos podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera.
Ok. Sí.
Yes. Okay, yes.
Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Y mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, su abogada le explicó todos sus derechos. ¿Es así?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Y usted entiende que tomando esta oferta que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos.
Ok.
Ok.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado y que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to January the 7th, 2026 at around 7:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of McGraw and Tarnow. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día, la hora y el lugar de los hechos, que fue el 7 de enero del 2026 a las 7:31 de la noche en los alrededores de la calle McGraw y Carna en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, a esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí,
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo?
sí,
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial de policía le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
sí.
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you?
Pero usted no se lo pudo mostrar, ¿verdad?
No,
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no pudo, señor?
no la tengo.
Because I don't have one.
Very good. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing, order him to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo le voy a ordenar que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y una vez que las complete, yo le voy a quitar los cargos.
Ok,
¿Ok?
Stipulate the clause. I'll dismiss the other matter now.
Y con la estipulación de la causa probable de parte de su abogada, yo le voy a quitar ahorita mismo el otro cargo.
ok.
So stipulated,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
All right, Mr. Barras, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Señor Barajas, ¿tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria para hacer las horas?
Sí,
Yes.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until March 4th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Está bien, señor. Llame esta misma tarde a ese número al señor Phillips para arreglar con él cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser las horas de servicio comunitario. Le voy a dar hasta el 4 de marzo para que haga eso, y si ese día ya usted ha completado las horas, yo le voy a desestimar la causa.
ok.
¿Ok?
Sí, está
All right,
bien.
have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Señor, que tenga un excelente día y la mejor de las suertes para usted.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
¿Es todo?
That's it.
That's it.
Sí, eso es todo.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, let's go call the City of Detroit versus Ida Morales, case number SP 1849440, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ahí está bien, vamos a llamar a la ciudad, el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Aida Morales, número de caso SP 184-9440, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Morales.
Ed Woodbury Jr. representando a la acusada. Señora Morales, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Aida Roblero Morales.
Aida Roblero Morales.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute, Your Honor.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give the client a $0 bond. Ms. Morales, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señora Roblero Morales, voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. La voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le conseguirá un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación de unirse a la sala pequeña, al grupo pequeño, número 2, el breakout room número 2. Acepte la invitación, por favor.
All right, she's in there. Let's pass the matter. What's Miss Morales gonna do?
Your Honor, she has shown valid a license, the insurance matter to be dismissed.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Morales. Ms. Morales, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Está
Your
bien,
Honor,
volvamos para que consiga con el caso de la señora Morales. Señora Morales, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea ser su representada?
my client has shown a valid international license. The insurance matter to be dismissed.
Su señor de no tener seguro va a ser también desestimado.
All right, case dismissed, ma'am. Wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señora, su caso ha sido desestimado totalmente. Que tenga mucha suerte, la mejor para usted. No tiene que pagar nada ni hacer nada, solo desconectarse.
Muchas gracias. Que Dios me lo bendiga, señor juez, y muchas gracias.
Thank you very much. God bless you, Mr. Judge, and thank you very much.
Welcome. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Gracias, señora. Que tenga excelente día y la mejor de las suertes para ustedes.
Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
The city of versus Harvin Jose S. Romero, case number SP 1849471, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Jarvin José Romero, número de caso SP 184-9471, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Sherika Harris, representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Harvey José Sorda Romero.
Hello, good morning. My name is Jarvin José Romero.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, good morning to you, sir. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, señor. Yo le voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Harris. Yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a poner una multa de $0. Ella le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a un juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada número 3.
We'll pass the matter.
Is she there?
Hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Romero. Mr. Romero, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el caso del señor Romero. Señor Romero, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala de consulta privada. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea hacer el señor Romero?
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment.
Su señoría, nosotros estamos pidiendo un aplazamiento.
He has an appointment set up to get himself in good standing.
Su señoría, ella tiene la fecha para poder tener todos sus documentos al día.
If we could have until the middle of March, it would be appreciated. He did take and pass the written exam already.
Si usted nos pudiera dar un aplazamiento hasta mediados de marzo, se lo agradecería muchísimo. Él ya ha pasado su examen escrito.
All right, come back on March the 18th.
Está bien, señor. Entonces vuelva para el 18 de marzo.
There's nothing further. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor, si no tiene más nada que agregar, se puede retirar. Que tenga excelente día. Y ya sabe que tiene que venir el 18 de marzo.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Marco Antonio Chiella Chahoyla Cerratos, case number SP 184-3615, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor Marco Antonio Canchola Cerratos, número de caso SP 184-36-151, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Hello?
¿Aló?
Yeah, hello?
Sir?
Señor,
No,
necesita
I don't need one.
intérprete. No, he doesn't need one.
All right, appearance for the record, please, somebody.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, sir. For purposes of arraignment, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand muted.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Concello, can you state your name for the record, please? Concello.
Marco Antonio Canchola Cerratos.
Hola, Cerratos. All right, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. He's in there, Mr. Berry. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Coachella. Mr. Conchella, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will require a trial, and I'm placing his number in the chat.
Okay, I have your number. This 255 is the best number to reach you, sir?
Yeah, 5255.
All right, I'm going to you're gonna go to your alphabet judge, who is Judge Kennedy. The next court date is gonna be February 25th, 2026 at 8:30. I put on here, needs appointed attorney, so hopefully the appointed attorney will contact you before your next court date. Judge Kennedy's Zoom ID is 360-435-0000. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. You have a very good rest of your day. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Great day.